If you're in a first grade classroom with a violent student, you know that going to work that day, you could potentially be hit in the face or have a chair thrown at you or have something of yours or the school's destroyed.
More students are displaying aggressive behaviors. Last year in West Fargo alone, there were 125 cases of students hurting staff members.
Valley News Team's Veronica Marshall spoke to the district about the problem and found out what's being done to try and fix it.
It's just kind of a worry that everyone comes to work with.
West Fargo Public Schools are seeing a rise in aggressive and complex behaviors amongst its youngest students.
Everyone's seeing it. Everyone's seeing a rise of the behaviors, and we're not really sure how else to solve it, especially in the younger kids, even the kindergartners that are destroying rooms, taking things and throwing them across the room.
The district says its self-contained classrooms for elementary students are at capacity, and when these rooms are full, safety becomes an issue for everyone.
We're seeing a lot of teachers either switch districts or switch roles, so maybe not a classroom teacher or something in a different, smaller setting because they're afraid of getting hurt.
I can tell you that we do have an increase in the number of incident reports of our teachers. And those incidents haven't resulted in serious injuries in most of our cases that I'm aware of. But we do know that we have to continue to keep this on our focus and to make sure that everybody is safe.
We sat down with Beth Sleddy, the incoming superintendent for West Fargo Public Schools, to talk about school safety.
With the rising number of incidents of staff members being hurt by students, would you say that they're safe in the schools as they are right now?
We work really hard with our teachers to ensure that anybody working with our students that have these high complex behaviors, that they're trained. And in the training, they learn how to protect themselves and protect students around them or other adults that are around them.
As another short-term fix, the school board just agreed to hire 8 full-time and 1 part-time special education teachers. The teachers will be split up amongst the schools that need them the most. In the long run, West Fargo hopes to create a regional school for children with these challenging behaviors so they can get the help they need, and that idea is supported by staff.
We are educators. We educate students. We are not therapists. We do not have social work backgrounds, and so many of these students need wraparound services.
We want to include everybody as much as we can, but it has to be safe, and every student needs to be safe as well as the teacher.
In West Fargo, Veronica Marshall, Valley News Live.
And we're told that plans for a new facility to help address this issue are still in the early stages.
People